jeez.
Hold your hand out. Come on, you.
A big lump.
It really snatches out your hand out if you
Soon I'll come back. Tuk, 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 tuk. Come on.
She's looking at Jim.
Tuk, 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 tuk. Fern, shut up.
Let's go. Well, she just
She's
wants.
wanting after that big bit.
She's like, stop with the wee bit, just use the big bit. She'll be stuffed, man. Is that enough just to give her the... Is it too much to give her the whole lot?
I don't think I'll do her any harm. She'll just take to go and get a drink.
They're greedy, hey? Do they just keep eating? How old's the Jamie?
I don't know. She's not young. None of them are young for hens, really.
No, but she's one of the 4 that we got recently.
Where'd you get them from?
Well, we usually get them along. Mirren! Mirren! On the way to Newborough. But there's ones we got from Sylvia, and they're pretty rubbish.
Oh. Nearly finished.
Right.
What are you doing?
Video it.
Oh, that was too big. Watch out. I think she's had enough. 2 more bits.
Right, let's get out of here. Shoo. How'd you make it go?
Shoot it with your foot.
Shoo. Shoo. Holy shit. In your face. In your face. Oh, your mother. Oh, mother. Lordy. Lordy.
She wants something nice.
I know, she's not.
Oh,
Oh, sweet. Did I get that? Please tell me I got that.
I can't find the drum. Eric, stop trying to make her big and
I got that.